Hey everyone, Dennis. We're back in Sonora, Texas. We're down here in the south part of Sonora. We're off of Route 189, known as Juneau Highway. So this part of Sonora, this part of Texas, there is a thing called natural anthrax, and it's spores that are in the ground. Back in 2019, they had heavy rain, heavy flooding, and these spores came to the surface of the dirt. And what happened is the animals, the wildlife, eating the plants and stuff, they got sick. They got anthrax. It wiped out the herds of animals in the area. They call it the anthrax triangle. So some of the animals, the herds are just starting to come back now. You know, 4 years later. So while we were flying the drones here, the farmer that owns like 10, 15,000 acres, he said his home is like 6 miles east. He was explaining to us that this area right here is sort of the middle point, the bottom end of that anthrax triangle. And they were only seeing 6 to 12 deer around his land. So it's taken some time for these herds to come back. Now this farmer, he's a rancher, as you see in the video, cows and goats. Now, everybody we met in Sonora, Texas is extremely friendly. They treated us like family. At the hotel, we actually met the mayor of Sonora. We met with the chief deputy for the sheriff's department. Went to a big gun store / feed store. We all exchanged numbers. Met the state police sergeant there. Everybody just so friendly. This is the area we are going to look. This land here, again, I'm filming the ground for the topography, getting a layout of the land, trying to see which area of Sonora we like best. Later in this video, I actually get attacked by a vulture. You'll see the vultures, I pointed them out in the video. Vultures and crows will try to attack the drones. It's kind of funny. It's almost like a dog fight between the drone and the bird. So as you can see, the topography in this area is kind of flat, slightly rolling hills. Here you can see the farmer, the rancher's cattle, some cows and goats. There's also wild sheep and wild goats in the area too. But he was explaining to us that he has a kid that actually herds his cattle with a drone. So this is the day we were actually leaving. Otherwise, we would have, offered to help him out and herd his cattle. But unfortunately, we were heading back to Florida, and that's a 20-hour drive. So it's just food for thought when we moved there that we can offer services to help the ranchers herd their cattle. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed our videos. You need to watch Mr. Bill's video. He's going to upload several videos as well with drone footage. But his videos are going to be all about the landscaping, the beautiful scenery in the area. Like I said, mine was more about getting a layout of the land. Alright guys, if you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button. Please subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you get notified if and when we go live, as well as when we upload more videos for you. Alright guys, we appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you. Hey everyone. Alright. So in my videos, you've seen I put animal trails. They're all over the place. It's a good sign that there is wildlife walking through the area, feeding. Even if it's ranch's cattle, it's still showing signs that there's wildlife there. You can see in some of the videos too, there's dry riverbeds. So everywhere in Sonora, there's Everything's dried up. So I just wanted to point that out about the wildlife in the area. Oh, like here you see in this, you can see the marks in the ground. Those are wildlife trails. Right there's a dry riverbed. And you can also see like tractor or ATV side-by-side trails as well. But this property here, this region is very flat with the rolling hills, great for building homes, creating a homestead, as well as hunting. All right, guys. Hope you enjoy it.